Good morning, friends. I am Mr. Sanath, Assistant Professor, Department of Sociology, SM College for Arts, Science and Commerce, Chandravalli, Chitradurga. Today, I would like to discussion about the problem of terrorism. In this, I would like to discussion about meaning, nature, causes, effects, and controlling measures of terrorism. Meaning, today, the terrorism is perceived as a problem capable of destabilizing not only national but also international politics. The words terrorism, insurgency, civil war, revolution, guerrilla war, intimidation, and extremism are most often interchanged and used loosely. Terrorism is an organized system of intimidation. Terrorism, which means violent behavior designed to generate fear in the community or society. Definition: according to Encyclopedia of Social Sciences, terrorism as a method whereby an organized group or party seeks to achieve its vowed aims chiefly through the systematic use of violence. Wilkinson: terrorism in politics is a weapon of blackmail, coercion, and imposition of minority will against and upon a majority decision. Nature: the terrorism has its own nature. It is against the state or community or human humanity. And next one, purpose of creating fear. Its main purpose creating fear in society or in publics. It has a political purpose. It is illegal and unlawful. It has primary targets like population or group. Damage or destruction of property. Instrumental or immediate victims. It stops rational thinking. It leads the reaction of fight or flight. And the last one, terrorism are the same in all terrorist movements. What is the causes for the terrorism? Cause the regime to react and also to overact for show of strength and demonstrate their capacity. Increase the involvement of more people to gain popular support. And next one, to disrupt and destroy the military strength of the regime. And next one, for break internal stability of check and growth, for advertising of movement, elimination of opposing forces, provocation of government, disorientation and psychological isolation of the people, for using highly sophisticated weapons, for the gathering of financial sources. And next one, for permission to smuggling and drug trafficking methods. Increase of religious, linguistic, ethnic, national consciousness. Death and destruction. What is the effects of terrorism on society, on nation? First one, misguide and the idealistic use. And next one, misuse of donations and taxes. Increase of smuggling and selling a drug. Ransom and hostages of for money. Robberies and hijacking planes and create nuisance in society. Assassinations, murders increase in society. Created competition for the identity. Destruction of property. And next one, headache to government. Introduced the new slogans like jihad, crusade, like ISIS terrorist or Lashkar Toiba organizations, misuse of weapons and techniques, effect of revenge and retaliation, civilians all time living under the fear, exploitations on women. What is the controlling measures for terrorism? First one, provide basic facilities to suffered civilians. Second one, orientation of youngsters. Provide basic socialization to new generations. Publicity of negative effects of terrorism. Strict security measures. General awareness among mass. Rehabilitation to terrorists. Financial helps to out of terrorism. Create coordination with neighbor countries. Strict legislations. In addition to the strict legislation, among that TADA Act, TADA Act Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention Act is established in 1985. The Government of India enacted an act in 1985. In 1960, Prevention Detention Act. In 1971, MISA Maintenance Internal Security Act. In 1980, NSA National Security Act. It was renewals in 1987, 1989 and 1993. In 23rd May 1995, TADA Act was expired. In addition, instead of in July 1997, a new bill called Criminal Law Amendment Act. April-May 2002, POTA Act launched Prevention of Terrorism Act. Other suggestions: public coordination about terrorist clue to police, obstacle to financial source of terrorist, not surrender to terrorist demands. And next one, full security to VIP and public property and some reasonable places. And next, provide high technological weapons to staff, control like war step, get international cooperation to anti-terrorism, special force to control of terrorism, seized the weapons source of terrorists, and last one, special course to terrorism. This is brief sketch of the problem of terrorism, meaning, nature, causes, effects, and controlling measures of terrorism. Thank you.